Hello guys, this is a second requested video of the front-end developer, and now I am Ahmed Ali, and in this video we are going to talk about what is Font Awesome. Font Awesome is a library of CSS which provides a developer a variety of icons. So let's see what is it. Open a Google Chrome. We want to add a Font Awesome in our website. So first of all, we add a Font Awesome with CDN or download it. I use a CDN. So first of all, W3C School. My mouse is W3C Schools. This is the world's largest web developer site. And search Font Awesome here. Enter intro, and this link, this is a CDN of Font Awesome. So copy this and make a new HTML file, index file, Control A, Control N, new, save as index.html. Replace the file and create the HTML tags. And my LCD is not working properly. Okay, back to the topic. And Font Awesome here, we just add a links. No, I just need a comment here, links, Font Awesome. Now we add our Font Awesome in our website. So we are going to learn how to use the Font Awesome. First of all, Font Awesome, if you make a icon, first of all make a tag of I, class fa, what you want, fa, let's suppose car, and close the I. Open the file E. Oh my god. Okay, what is this? Oh no, wait a second. Yes, index.html, and yes, you see the car is appear now. This is a font, so you can also add font properties of style in Font Awesome. Example, style font size 20 pixels, 100 pixels. As you see, the car is bigger than now because the font, I increased the font. This is okay. If you don't want to add a style, so only add fa car, fa LG, and now see the difference. LG is so 4x, I think it is bigger than 3x, 5x. Let's make a comparison table. Okay, fa LG, save, Control C, copy, Control fa 2x, 3x, and here 4x and 5x. I don't know 6x is also. Wow, this is 6x is not supported. See, a smaller, little bit smaller, larger and larger. There are so many icons. That's user, you use it as user, dashboard, in list icons, square, video and devices, pulled icons, and you can also change the color of the font. color red. As you see, the color is changed red. I also give this link in description and all the code of in Pastebin. So if you like this video, keep it hit the like button and subscribe.